A member asked why some WaveBot deals spend more than 100% of the funds allocated for safety orders. What can you do? Well, here's the short answer. If you're running a WaveBot 3 and 4, set the maximum safety order counts to 0. Your TradingView alerts should have both the add funds and deal start messages. Safety orders can continue until all funds are used. You have to ignore the maximum amount calculated by the bot assistant. In WaveBot 5, set the maximum safety order deals as you desire. Make sure your TradingView alerts are using only the deal start signal. Correctly set your WaveBot 5 maximum exposures will be what the bot assistant has calculated to be. Your WaveBot 3 and 4 maximum exposures will not be what's calculated in 3Commas. The bot can potentially use all of your funds. One way to limit your exposure is to use sub-accounts in your trading platforms. For example, suppose I'm using KuCoin. I can set up multiple sub-accounts. Let's say I have a total of $5,000 in KuCoin, 3,000 in sub-account 1, 2,000 in sub-account 2. I can run my WaveBot 3 using sub-account 2. Therefore, my maximum exposure will be 2,000. When I run out of funds in sub-account 2, my WaveBot 3 will send me an insufficient fund error message. It will not touch the funds outside of that sub-account. That's the short answer. Stay tuned if you want a full explanation. Let's take a look at how safety order works in 3Commas. Now, safety orders help reduce the average cost of our positions, thus making it easier to profit from a deal. In 3Commas, there are two types of safety orders: regular safety order and manual safety. When setting up a WaveBot, you can choose the maximum number of safety order. The bot assistant will calculate the max amount usage. In this example, we have base order with 50 USDT and 100 USDT for safety order, maximum number set at 30 level, 30 safety order counts. If the deal does execute all of the orders, it will use 3,050 USDT. How's that calculated? Well, you got base order 50, safety order is 100. If it goes 30 level, it'll be 3,050. That's what the bot assistant have calculated for us too. If the safety order have been filled, they would be marked as safety in the deal history page. You'll see it right here, just simply safety. That's what I call the regular safety order. The second type of safety order are the manual safety order. For example, when a deal is active, you can manually add more funds at any time. In this example, 6,859 algo was purchased from 1,002 USDT. If you want to manually buy more algo, you click onto Add Funds. When the process has been completed, you will see manual safety marked as the order type. So far, so good. Let's take a look at these two completed deals. We have an AWACS deal that had filled 30 level of safety order. With the Doge deal, it said the safety order fill was 0 plus 25. When a manual safety order was filled, it will be listed in the parentheses with the plus order. This means the AWACS deal had 30 regular safety order. The Doge deal did not have any regular safety order, but it has 25 manual safety order. Let's run through the process, starting with the AWACS deal. This AWACS bot was set to have 30 maximum safety order. The assistant stated the deal max amount usage will be 3,050 USDT. So safety orders were filled and they were listed as safety. We copy the message for deal start signal and paste it into the trading view alert. How is a deal start? How deals get started in this kind of setting, like the AWACS deal? Well, when TradingView alert is triggered, it sends a signal to 3Commas, and 3Commas would start the deal. Now, how do safety orders get started? Well, once a deal is started, when and if safety orders will be placed would depend on the bot in 3Commas. They are triggered and completed in 3Commas, but with no involvement from TradingView. We've placed the start deal message into TradingView alert. Therefore, the only signal TradingView will send to our 3Commas bot is to start deals. It will not tell it to do safety orders. If there's any active deal, the bot will ignore any other message. So have one start deal, and you got one deal out of that one bot. So the safety order will only be added when they meet the criteria we have set inside the bot. They're triggered by 3Commas, not TradingView. In this example, when the price dropped 0.5%, criteria met, it starts and opens up a safety order. Looking at the history, this deal filled 30 level of safety order. The total use was 3,057, 58, a little bit more than what was estimated, mostly because of the time difference between an order being placed versus the order being executed. Now, let's look at the second deal, the Doge deal. Here, the Doge deal had 0 regular safety order, 25 manual safety order. Looking at the detail, we see that the bot was set up to have no safety order at all. With only base order, the bot assistant have calculated the max amount to be 100. Yet, looking at the history, we see a lot of manual safety order being executed. In fact, 25 manual safety order were filled. I did not go in 25 times and click the Add Funds button 25 times. So what happened? And here lies the confusion. Earlier, I had said that 3Commas has 2 types of safety order, the regular kind and the manually added kind. That's true. However, within manual safety order, there are 2 kinds of manual safety order. The first kind is what's shown earlier. When you go in, a user log into 3Commas and manually click Add More Funds in real time. These safety orders are placed whenever you choose to do so in real time, and they are not automatically triggered by 3Commas or TradingView. There is a second kind of safety order. That second kind of manual safety order and is preset, triggered by TradingView. In WaveBot 3 and 4, we paste 2 messages into TradingView alert, the message for add funds and the message for deal start. By placing these 2 messages into a TradingView alert, TradingView is going to be the one triggering both when to start a deal and when to add more funds, i.e. manual safety order. When you use the add funds signal and place it into a TradingView alert, there is a possibility that your bot will use up all of the funds you have in your account, because there is nowhere we can set a maximum number of safety order like we did on the other deal. This Doge bot was set to have 0 safety order, and the assistant have calculated that the max was 100 USDT, yet you saw that it went all the way to filling in 25 manual safety order and have used up a lot more funds. So in reality, we have three kinds of safety order. We have the regular preset safety orders, and then we have the manually added safety order in real time, but we also have a third kind of manually added safety order that is preset by adding two messages into TradingView. In conclusion, what can we do? If you're running Wavebot 3 and 4, make sure you set your safety order counts to 0, that your TradingView alert has both the at funds and deal start messages. If you're running Wavebot 5, you can set your safety order count as you desire, but make sure you only have one message in the TradingView alert, and that is the deal start message. Your maximum exposure in Wavebot 5 is what the bot assistant have calculated. The maximum exposure in Wavebot 3 and 4 is how much you have in your account. As mentioned earlier, you can use a sub-account to control your maximum exposure. Happy trading!